presentation is about Turkey. Turkey is in the southeast of Europe. Turkey has 13 million 818. It has more than 1 million square kilometers. Is Turkey. In Turkey, people use Turkish liras. Arak is the East Mountain. It is 5,165 meters high. The Don River is Kisi. It is 1,150 kilometers long. The Turkish capital is Ankara. The Turkish important city is Istanbul. Turkey has a Mediterranean climate. The temperate with hot, dry summer and mild with wet winters. Hagia Sophia in Istanbul is a world famous building. Yapra is a